Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest trends in the tech industry. Today, we're here to discuss the top 5 programming languages that will provide you with the best career opportunities and salary growth in 2023. If you've been wondering which programming language to learn, stay tuned as we reveal the languages that will boost your career to new heights. Are you confused about which programming language to learn in order to secure a better salary in the future? Look no further. In this video, we will explore the top 5 programming languages that are projected to have a significant boost in demand and career opportunities in 2023. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, understanding these programming languages will give you an edge in the job market. Join us as we delve into the world of coding and discover the languages that will shape the future of technology. At first, I've kept the most famous language, Python. Python, known for its simplicity and versatility, is becoming increasingly popular in various domains. With its user-friendly syntax and extensive libraries, Python is the go-to language for tasks ranging from web development to data analysis and machine learning. As businesses realize the power of automation and data-driven decision-making, Python programmers are in high demand, making it an excellent language to learn for a prosperous career. Second language which is good for future is JavaScript. In our dynamic web-centric world, JavaScript continues to dominate as the essential front-end programming language. With frameworks like React and Angular, JavaScript enables developers to create interactive and responsive web applications. Additionally, the surge in demand for mobile and hybrid app development has solidified JavaScript's position as a must-learn language for future job opportunities. Till now, if you are liking this video, then please like, subscribe and share our channel. It will motivate us making more good useful videos. Now coming up to the third language, which is Kotlin. Kotlin, a modern programming language, has seen a significant rise in popularity, especially in Android app development. Developed by JetBrains, Kotlin offers a concise syntax, improved safety features, and seamless interoperability with existing Java codebases. As the number of Android users continues to grow, learning Kotlin can unlock exciting opportunities in the mobile development industry. So, our next language is Go. Go, also known as Golang, has gained traction due to its scalability and efficiency in building robust systems. Developed by Google, Go offers a simple yet powerful language for concurrent programming, making it ideal for tasks such as network programming, cloud computing, and microservices. As companies increasingly focus on building scalable applications, becoming proficient in Go can pave the way for a prosperous career. Last but not the least, our fifth language as a good future option is Rust. Lastly, Rust, a systems programming language, combines performance, safety, and concurrency. With its unique ownership system, Rust ensures memory safety without sacrificing speed, making it the ideal choice for projects that prioritize both efficiency and security. As the need for secure and efficient systems becomes more critical, Rust is anticipated to witness significant growth in demand. And there you have it. The top 5 programming languages that are expected to experience a substantial boost in 2023. Remember, choosing the right programming language not only enhances your career prospects but also opens doors to higher salaries and exciting job opportunities. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer looking to expand your skill set, consider diving into Python, JavaScript, Kotlin, Go, or Rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.